Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on Ubuntu operating systems. Open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Hit enter. See, on 21st November 2024, PostgreSQL 17.2 released. Click on download, then click on Linux, then click on Ubuntu. See here, the PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current versions of Ubuntu like Noble, that is 24, 23, 22 and 20.04. Okay. See, these are the list of the commands to be run to install PostgreSQL 17.2 on Ubuntu. Okay. So open terminal. First install the curl and CA certificates. Copy this command. Paste it, hit enter. See, both are already installed. Okay, so now install this PGDG, hit enter. Now download this signing, import this signing. It is done. Now create the repository configuration file for PostgreSQL. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. All are done. Now install the PostgreSQL 17. Give sudo apt install PostgreSQL. See, if you want to install 16, just give -16. If you want to install 15, just give -15. I want to install latest one, so no need to give any version number. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17.2. Okay, type and hit enter. See, it is downloading 17.2. See, at the time of making this video, PostgreSQL 17.2 is the latest one. But if you are going to install, that time it may be 17.3 or 4 or latest version. Okay, but the process is same. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17.2. Let us verify sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL service is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Control L to clear screen. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres. PSQL. PSQL is the client tool for the PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, this is PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. To verify the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.2. Okay. Q to quit, Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL on Ubuntu machines is we have to set the password for the super user, that is Postgres. Let us verify the list of users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. So set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide new password. Put semicolon. We have successfully set the password for the user Postgres. Now verify list of databases by using the command \L. Hit enter. See, these are the 3 databases that comes with installation of PostgreSQL server. Q to quit. Now create a database. Create database R2 schools. Now verify again. You can also verify by running the command select dat name from PG_database. See, these are the list of the databases. Now switch to this new database, \C, or you can use the \connect. Then provide the database name. Hit enter. See, you are now connected to the database R2 schools as user Postgres. Now create a table in this database. Create table verified tables. See, we have only one table, that is student. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these 3 rows. See, if we give star means it retrieved all column values. But if you want to get only the sname column values, just give select sname from table name. Okay. Now we will create a user. Create user James, then provide the password. Now verify. See, we have created user. Now to exit from this PSQL client, we have to use the command \q and hit enter. Now connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. PSQL-H, H means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL is installed on this PC, and -u, then provide the username, then D, then provide the database name. Hit enter, then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected with the new user, that is James. Let us verify the current user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected database with the user James. Okay, let us try to create a table in this database with the user James. It will throw error. See, permission denied for the schema public, because this user doesn't have the privileges in this database. So to grant and revoke permissions, there is a video link in the video description. You can go through it and you can see how to grant privileges to a user in PostgreSQL. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL service on Ubuntu. Ctrl-L, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify status. See, PostgreSQL service is stopped. Give to quit. Now try to connect PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. Okay, so let us start it, but we can't start with the user Postgres. So exit from this user. Now start it again. Now verify again. Just give. See, PostgreSQL service is started. Give to quit. Now we will see how to restart. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Verify again. See, we have successfully restarted 1 second ago. Give to quit. Ctrl-L. Now connect to PostgreSQL server and find the config files, log and data directory locations. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. Now run show config underscore file. See, PostgreSQL.conf is the server configuration file, which contains server level configuration parameters, and another file is HBA file, that is host-based authentication file. Show HBA underscore file. See, this file contains host-based authentication information. See, both are in the same main directory. Okay, now find the log directory. Show log underscore directory. See, this is the directory. Find the data directory. Show data underscore directory. See, this is the data directory. Until now we have performed actions by using PSQL. We can also connect to PostgreSQL by using PGAdmin and DBeaver. PGAdmin is the GUI tool for the PostgreSQL server. You can go through the video description. There you can find the how to install PGAdmin and DBeaver on Ubuntu machines. If you want to install PGAdmin, you have to go to pgadmin.org, then click on download, then click on apt, then scroll down. These are the list of the commands to be executed to install PGAdmin on Ubuntu machine. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on Ubuntu operating systems. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.